Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, Photoshop pen tool selection inverse. Okay, let's begin. First of all, I use select the pen tool path and select use selection, hold alter. I skip to this selection. Okay, then see this Mac selection. Feather radius example I use 0 pixels. Okay, then inverse, go to select tab. See this inverse or hold shift plus control plus I. Click the inverse. See this inverse selection. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.